Hello, in this video, I'm going to take you through the continuous testing capability of rational test workbench in the context of GitLab CI/CD. In the GitLab continuous integration process, a developer shares the new code in a merge request that triggers a pipeline to build, test, and validate the new code prior to merging the changes within that repository. A rational test workbench provides the capability for functional, regression, performance, and API testing. And these tests can be triggered as a part of this GitLab pipeline. In the demo, we will go through the following process. We will create a simple GitLab project with a sample pipeline. This pipeline will contain a build and test stage. We will install and configure the GitLab runner to run from my local PC. We will create a config file in Rational Test Workbench that will be added to the GitLab YAML file. We commit the changes and this will be triggering the pipeline run in GitLab. Finally, we will be validating the test results. There are multiple ways the test results can be viewed. It can be viewed from GitLab pipeline results, from Rational Test Workbench, and Rational Test Automation Server. Now, let's get into the demo. Now, let's create a GitLab project. We see the runner is successfully configured. Now let's create a command line configuration file in Rational Test Workbench. Right click on the script and then create the config file. User can specify multiple parameters to make the config file much more meaningful. I have already created a config file, so now let me cancel. This is the config file that I have already created. Let me input this configuration file into the YAML file. Now the pipeline is triggered. We can see the test results of this pipeline in three different places. The first one is in the GitLab. So now you can see here that the test is successfully completed. The second is in the rational test workbench. So now here you can see the test result. And the third one is the user also has the capability to export this results in rational test automation server. RTAS provides capability for test results management, and it can help the users to view all the test results in one repository. Thank you.